The future of car manufacturers in the context of self-driving cars. The future of automotive companies in the context of self-driving cars is a topic of significant interest and debate. As autonomous driving technology continues to advance, many automakers are investing heavily in research and development to stay ahead of the curve and remain competitive in the marketplace. One of the key challenges facing automakers in this new era of self-driving cars is the need to adapt to new business models and revenue streams. As traditional car ownership models are disrupted by the rise of autonomous vehicle fleets, automakers must find new ways to generate revenue and remain profitable. One possibility is the development of new mobility services that leverage autonomous driving technology. For example, automakers could offer ride-sharing services using self-driving cars, or develop subscription-based models that allow customers to access a fleet of autonomous vehicles on an as-needed basis. In addition to new business models, automakers must also address the safety and regulatory challenges associated with self-driving cars. As autonomous driving technology continues to advance, it is essential that automakers work closely with regulators and policymakers to ensure that these vehicles are safe and comply with all relevant regulations. Another important consideration is the need to maintain customer trust and confidence in self-driving cars. As with any new technology, there is a risk that customers may be hesitant to embrace self-driving cars due to concerns about safety or privacy. Automakers must work to address these concerns and demonstrate the safety and reliability of autonomous vehicles through rigorous testing and validation. Despite these challenges, the potential benefits of self-driving cars are significant. Autonomous vehicles have the potential to reduce traffic congestion, improve road safety, and provide greater mobility for individuals who are unable to drive due to disability or age. Moreover, the development of autonomous driving technology is driving innovation and fostering new partnerships between automakers, technology companies, and other stakeholders. This collaboration is likely to accelerate the pace of innovation and bring new products and services to market more quickly. Another important aspect of the future of automotive companies in the context of self-driving cars is the impact on the workforce. As self-driving cars become more prevalent, there is a risk that many traditional automotive jobs, such as manufacturing and driving, may become obsolete. However, there are also opportunities for new jobs and industries to emerge. For example, the development and maintenance of self-driving car technology will require a skilled workforce in areas such as software engineering, data analysis, and cybersecurity. Moreover, the rise of self-driving cars is likely to have a significant impact on the broader economy. For example, autonomous vehicles could reduce the number of accidents and traffic congestion, leading to lower healthcare costs and increased productivity. In addition, the development of self-driving cars could lead to greater energy efficiency and reduce carbon emissions. For example, autonomous vehicles could be programmed to drive in a more fuel-efficient manner or to coordinate with other vehicles to reduce traffic congestion and optimize energy use. However, the widespread adoption of self-driving cars also raises ethical and social concerns. For example, there is a risk that autonomous vehicles could perpetuate or exacerbate existing inequalities, such as those related to access to transportation or urban planning. Moreover, the use of self-driving cars raises important questions about liability and responsibility in the event of accidents or malfunctions. Automakers, regulators, and policymakers must work together to develop clear rules and regulations that address these issues and protect the safety and rights of all stakeholders. Another important consideration for the future of automotive companies in the context of self-driving cars is the need for continued innovation and investment.